Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find your posts saved on your Reddit app. We will go to know how we can do that on found this window on your Reddit. All you have to do, you just go up here in this picture on app, you will click, then it's going to show for you this window like you say, and you just go down, then you click here on save, and it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you here you can find your posts you saved here in this window. I don't have any posts because my account is new account, but if you have you will find it in this window here on your Reddit app. So that's all you have to do to find your saved post in your window. I wish you know you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.